played by Sam. Elf 2 is played by Constantine. Elf 3 is played by Alex. Elf 4 is played by Batani. Elf 5 is played by Shelby. Elf 6 is played by Kuyu. Elf 7 is played by Sam. Elf 8 is played by Kuyu. Elf 9 is played by Jacoby. And Elf 10 is played by Constantine. Mrs. Claus is played by Mirza. And Santa Claus is played by Sammy. The reindeer, Selena, Hank, Hayden, Aiden, Nathan, and then Aiden. Rudolph, Aiden.
Aiden, your antlers.
Wait.
Narrator.
It's Christmas Eve in Santa's workshop. Mrs. Claus is busy putting packages under the tree.
Mrs. Claus?
I finished making the gifts to all the elves. These are the best presents ever, but I could show you the list. But I will make you a list. I have to clean up this messy workshop after I chop the kitchen.
Narrator.
Mrs. Claus certainly seems tired. Here come the elves to see the tree.
I can see, Brittany, can you get closer right there so we can see Elf 1? Elf 1, Sam?
Hooray! I can hardly believe it's Christmas Eve at last.
Elf 2? Constantine, Elf 2?
Let's have some fun.
Elf 3?
The toys we made this year are the best. I'm sure the children will enjoy them.
Elf 4?
Just imagine tomorrow we can play all day in the snow.
Elf 5?
A long holiday to skate and ski and sled. We'll have fun until summer.
Elf 6?
Wait a minute. What's wrong? What did we forget? I thought everything was finished.
Elf 8?
Santa's presents are perfect. They want a quick change. You'll use it every day.
Elf 9?
I know what we forgot. I hope it's not Christmas cookies and candy canes and all things. No, it's much important than that. You don't have a present for Mrs. Claus.
All elves?
No presents? How could we let that happen?
Elf 8?
Look at the old present now that you have on them.
Elf 7?
Mrs. Claus made them for us, and we forgot her gift.
Elf 6? Koyu?
She is always so nice.
Elf 5?
Maybe we can make a tray to hold cakes and cookies. Yum, yum, cookies and cakes. We can't make anything until Santa orders new supplies next summer. I guess you're right. It's too late.
Elf 2?
Santa's coming back soon. We have to think of something. Let's think.
Elf 1?
I've got it. Look around at the mess we left. Mrs. Croft always cleans up after us. But why should she?
Elves 2 and 3.
You're right. We can clean up the workshop, so she won't have to.
Elf 4 and 5.
And we could organize her files so children's letters would be mixed up.
Elf 6, 7, and 8.
We'll help clean out the reindeer barn.
Elf 9.
I know some delicious recipes. I'm going to make her breakfast in bed. Yum, yum.
Hurry, let's write our gift list on a piece of paper and tie it with a bow.
Elf 2. Constantine.
Thank you.
I hear.
I hear the reindeer. Here comes Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus.
Ho, ho, my merry elves. I've just returned from delivering presents to boys and girls all over the world.
Elves.
Do you miss anyone this year? No, I don't think so, but let me tell you what I saw. Now, Santa, the elves will want to be kept up all night with tales of city lights and snow-capped mountains. Let them open up their gifts. Of course, there's a gift for every one of you.
What is all elves?
Thank you, Mrs. Claus and Mrs. Claus. These warm scarves are wonderful.
Elf 3.
Here is your gift, Santa. Ho, ho, ho. You really have outdone yourselves. This watch will help me deliver all the presents on time next year. Thank you.
And here is your gift, Mrs. Claus.
Oh my, what a wonderful gift. Promises to clean the workshop, organize my files, clean the reindeer barn, and bring me breakfast in bed. This gift means so much to me. Now I'll have time to read the next. Thank you all.
Everyone?
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Okay, elves sit down. Reindeer stand up.
Except
And Santa.
And Santa. Sit down.
Where's the...
Go sit down. Go sit down.
the reindeer are going to sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
All of us can join in. Cupid and Dawn and Blitzen.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you'd say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They knew that poor Rudolph joined the reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, what's your nose?